Hello viewers, I welcome you all on my channel mathskpreet. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe it for videos on mathematics. So today our topic is angles by a transversal and parallel lines and a transversal and related questions. So before that we must know what are parallel lines and non-parallel lines. So two lines, any two lines or more than two lines, here I am taking two lines only. So any two lines which are having a point in common are called non-parallel lines, and any two lines which are at a constant distance from each other, or we can say they have no point in common, such lines are called parallel lines. So here L and M are two non-parallel lines, and if any line intersects two or more lines at distinct points, these are the points where this line N is intersecting L and M. So such line which intersects two or more line at distinct point is known as a transversal. So N is a transversal here because it is intersecting L and M at point C, P and Q. So these are two distinct points. So such intersection gives us many pairs of angle. So let's see what type of angles they are. First are the corresponding angles. So here this angle 1 and angle 2 is the first pair for the corresponding angles. Angle 3 and angle 4, this is the second pair. Angle 5 and angle 6 is the third pair. Fourth pair is 7 and this angle 8. So there are four pairs of corresponding angles given by a transversal that's intersecting two lines. So these are corresponding angles. Next are the interior angles. So here from the word it is clear, angle 5 and 2 which are on the interior side of these lines L and M, 5, 2, 7, 4. So angle 5, 2, 7 and 4, these are interior angles. Next are the alternate angles. These are again in pairs. So this angle 5 and angle 4, 5 and 4, this is the first pair of alternate angles. 7 and 2, angle 7 and 2, this is the second pair of alternate angles. So these 5 and 4, these are in interior side, these are in the interior side of the transversal. So this 5 and 4 and 7, 2, these pairs, these are also known as alternate interior angles. So alternate angles, rest of the two pairs are angle 1, this angle 1 and 8, angle 1 and 8. Angle 3, from here if I draw like this, Z, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. So these four pairs are basically alternate angles. The first two pairs are giving us alternate interior angles and the last two pairs are giving us alternate exterior angles. Next are the exterior angles. Exterior angles, angle 1, angle 3, that are on the exterior sides of the line, and 6 and angle 8. These are 1, 3, 6 and 8. These are exterior angles. Interior angles are 5, 7, 2, 4. These are interior angles, and these are pairs of corresponding angles and alternate angles. And all these are alternate interior, these are alternate exterior. Now let's move to the concept when the lines are parallel to each other. When the lines were not parallel or parallel, this was the case, we are getting such pairs of angles. Now see the case when the lines are parallel, what we will have. Here AB and CD are parallel to each other. They are at a constant distance from each other. The distance is fixed till end. So this is the notation for parallel. AB is parallel to CD. If this is my transversal here intersecting AB and CD at two distinct points, say this is R is a transversal here. So here transversal is intersecting two parallel lines. So in such case we have few results. First is it is given that two lines are parallel and transversal in intersecting, then what we have, each pair of corresponding angle is equal. Each pair. So let me draw the angles again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So each pair of corresponding angles, meaning angle 1 will be equals to 2. This was the pair, so these two angles will be equal. 3 will be equals to angle 4, angle 5 will equal to 6 and 7 is equal to 8. This is what this result is saying. When the two lines are parallel, each pair of corresponding angle is equal. So each pair of corresponding angle is equal here, and vice versa. Vice versa means when each pair of corresponding angle is equal and a transversal is intersecting. Obviously, when a transversal is intersecting two lines, not parallel, I am saying two lines, such that these angles are equal, or each pair of corresponding angle is equal, what we will have, then the lines will be parallel. This is the meaning for vice versa. So this is the result for this. Next is when a transversal is intersecting two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angle is equal, and vice versa. Basically this holds for alternate exterior as well, but this one is the useful in the question. So we write alternate angles or alternate interior angle in is equal and vice versa. So what are the alternate angles here? I am writing for this result. Alternate angles are in the Z form, 5 and 4. Angle 5 will be equals to angle 4, and angle Z this way, 7 is equal to angle 2. When someone is saying that angles are equal or angles are congruent, both mean same. Congruent means angles are equal, because congruents are possible when they are of same measurement, and when they are of same measurements, this means the angles are equal. So congruent word for angles and equal word for angles have same meaning. So angle 5 will be equals to angle 4, 7 is equals to angle 2. Otherwise, vice versa means when a transversal is intersecting two lines such that alternate angles are equal, then what will we have? Then AB will be parallel to CD, or we can say that then the two lines will be parallel to each other. So next is number 3rd. This is the result. When a transversal is intersecting two parallel lines, then sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So what are the interior angles on the same side? So angle 5, 2, 7, 4, these were the 4 interior angles I told you. But interior angles on the same side of the transversal means same side is left or right. So 5 plus 2, their sum of interior angles on same side of what? Of the transversal. So this result is giving us angle 5 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree, and angle 7 plus 4 is equals to 180 degree. So this is the result for this third statement written here. Vice versa means that if a transversal is intersecting two lines such that the sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180, then the two lines will be parallel. Hope you understand. So these were the results